Hello, I'm Warren Turner, General Manager for SloanLED's North American Lighting Division, and I want to thank you for tuning into this product update video covering our new QM and QC quick mount options for our SLVT linear vapor tight series. So just a quick refresher on the linear vapor tight series. They are IP65 rated. They have 165,000 hours of calculated life. They're available with factory installed emergency batteries and a microwave motion and daylight sensor. The series is also available with lighted controls to provide advanced IoT controls architecture. Now, we're excited to release our new QM Quick Mount and QC Quick Connect option, designed to accelerate and simplify this fixture's installation. The QM option is for installations where you're wiring through the rear of the fixture to a recessed junction box. With this option, the fixture ships with the conductors pulled out the rear knockout of the fixture through a compression molding silicone bushing. Each conductor is sealed so that the fixture maintains its IP65 rating. The fixture also includes quick connectors for easy, quicker wiring. Also included with this option is the quick mount plate. This ships in the same carton as the luminaire and has the mounting hardware pre-installed. Just attach the QM plate to the recessed junction box and the sealing using the contractor supplied hardware. You can even shoot directly through the plate right into a concrete deck. Next, use the included quick connectors to wire, then snap the entire assembly into the mounting hardware. That's all there is to it. No need to open the fixture, making this truly the fastest install in the industry. Now let's watch this quick mount option in action in this installation video. What a great way to save time and labor with Sloan's new quick mount option, engineered for fast, cost-effective installations. If your installation is surface feed-through wiring, specify the QC or quick connection option. You'll receive the same mounting plate, but the fixture wires are not pulled out the rear of the fixture. Thanks for tuning in to watch this product update video. If you have any questions on the quick mount options and lighted controls, or questions on any of our products, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or anyone on the Sloan team. We'd be happy to assist you. Thanks again for your support and have a great day.